So if you guys have a GoPro Hero 8 Black and you're looking for a good way to protect your new $300+ investment without hindering the video quality or audio quality, I think I've come up with the perfect two solutions that GoPro offers from their direct accessory line. And let's find out what's involved to set them up and what they cost and how they work. Today I wanted to talk about the new GoPro Hero 8 Black that I just picked up. Came with all the accessories, everything I needed, and what I was concerned about is the fact that the lens on this is no longer detachable. Even though GoPro claims it's twice the durability, it won't ever need to be replaced. I wanted to get a couple of different accessories to help protect both the rear glass, the front glass, and the case itself of the camera. So I went ahead and picked up the rubberized sleeve and tempered front and rear glasses for it. Let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. This nice little rubberized protective case that covers the exterior, and then there's a lanyard which comes in here, which I removed. So this is generally attached over to the side, which I just removed this. I'm not going to use this because if I'm going to take this out and about, I'm going to use the handle grip instead. And I picked both of these up off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description down below. But yeah, so we'll get these cleaned up, we'll get these applied. And the big reason that I went with this style case versus like the roll cage is if you look real close on this guy, you have the holes in the front for the microphone, so that's not going to hinder your sound ability. And what I didn't like about the roll cage is this is completely covered. And I wanted something that would protect the camera but not sacrifice audio quality in case I'm doing like any type of vlogging or anything like that. And I wanted to just show how thick this is. It's actually a really thick tempered glass. So you can see how strong it is, like it doesn't even really bend much. So yeah, I feel pretty confident that if anything was to touch either the front or rear lens, that would definitely save the glass from getting broken on the camera, which is what I was looking for. So let's go ahead and get these attached. Look at what comes in the box with the protective tempered glass screen shields. You get 2 for the rear screen and 2 for the front camera lens, plus the cleaning cloth. So I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol so we can clean down the camera, and then we'll go ahead and apply those. Alright, let's go ahead and attach the protective tempered glass screen shield, and you can see on the lens there's a 1 and a 2. You're going to start with removing the 1. When I do that, I like to remove it upside down so there's a less chance for dust or lint to fall on top of it. And let's just go ahead and set it onto the screen. So I'm pretty good at these. I've lined this type of stuff up with cell phones quite a few times, so it should be pretty simple, I would imagine. Alright, the rear shield is successfully on. Now let's get the front shield on. I like to use like the cloth at the end and really push really hard to get the edges perfectly clear. Make sure I've got no air pockets or anything. Try to keep any type of dirt from getting around that edge. Alright, let's go ahead and attach our case and then we'll take a good look at everything. So to put the case on, just slips right around the camera, super easy. Alright, so now you can see that this has pretty good protection overall now. So you've got like a nice little bit of a rubber lip here that kind of extends out past the front of the camera. If it was to get dropped or have any type of frontal impact, that should protect it. Now with having this tempered glass shield over the front, that's going to give you protection, and it's glass itself. It's glass as well, so it's not going to degrade the quality of the video, which is nice. And then you've got those big microphone ports there, which is the reason I went with this soft case versus the roll cage. The roll cage, I liked the look of that case better. It was definitely more durable, but I wanted the ability to get good sound quality out of this. So let's get it mounted up and see what it looks like. Rear glass looks pretty nice. I mean, you can see a little bit of imperfections. I could probably press those out, but it's going to give it a good protection. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to do some hiking and go out and be active, and I think that this is going to be a good setup for me. So I'll have links in the descriptions down below. The front and rear tempered glass from GoPro, those are official items. They're about 20 bucks. Same thing with the little protective rubber case. This is what the setup would look like with the supplied lanyard. So you can take this and throw it around your neck if that's your forte, and that's kind of what you want to do, is go outside and just do some little hiking and have it set up right here where you can record and do all that. That's a nice attachment that comes included with the box, but that's not for me. I'll show you my setup. So you can see the screen resolution, everything's just as clear on the back. Front lens, everything looks good. Image quality looks good. And yeah, this is my setup. So when I'm out and about, I prefer to have something that I can hold more steady than holding the thing by hand on a lanyard. So I can go out and get a little bit better footage. And yeah, I mean, if I was to drop it, dangles from my wrist, I like this setup better. So I'm really excited for this GoPro Hero 8. I've already taken it out and done quite a few shots with it. And this is my main camera. That I usually use. And you can see that this is now the footage from the GoPro itself. And it looks great. Audio quality is good. You can hear me talking crystal clear. And I'll put a few clips of some nature walks and stuff I did up on the screen so you can see what this thing kind of looks like. Look at this, Julia. Wow, this is freaking awesome. Holy crap. So beautiful here. What do you think, Julia? You like it?
Yeah.
All right. And GoPro, of course, has like the full active waterproof case. I saw that as a good option too, but I'm not going to be jumping off cliffs and going underwater. And I just wanted something that's going to give me some protection without hindering the sound. The waterproof case, very similar to the roll cage, has all the microphones basically blocked off. So your sound's going to be all muddy and muffled, and that's not what I'm looking for. But anyway, guys, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And stay tuned. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.